So, good afternoon. So, for today, I'm going to discuss to you on how we're going to find the features of the parabola given its standard equation. So, last time we discussed if the standard equation given is we have the y squared. So, paano naman ngayon? We have the x squared. So, we need to find the vertex, we have the focus, the directrix, we have the axis of symmetry, and the endpoints of the latus rectum. So, please watch this video until the end so that you can understand this lesson, because on our synchronous class, we will discuss on the problems, or we will just have some examples. So I will not elaborate on the process na, so we will have more examples on our parabola. Okay, so please watch. Okay, so I hope clear yung writing sa whiteboard. So we have here, I prepared here first two examples. So ito muna yung solve natin. So we have here example number 1. We have, okay, so we have here first example. The quantity of x minus 2 squared is equal to 4 times the quantity of y minus 1. So paano natin hanapin yung vertex natin? We have here our vertex. So vertex is in the form HK. So saan dito yung H natin at saka saan yung K natin? So we have here our H, this is our K. Therefore, our vertex, we have V is H. We have here V, we have H that is 2, and our K that is 1. Okay. Then we need to find the value of A. So solve for A. Paano natin i-solve yung A? So we have 4A is equal to 4. So our A is equal to positive 1. So after that, we need to find now the focus, or we can now find the focus. So ang focus natin, we have focus. That will be, so paano yung focus natin? Saan tayo mag-a-add and saan tayo mag-subtract? So we have our focus, since this is along the vertical. So this is H, K plus A. So our focus now, we have our H. So focus will be our H, that is 2 copy. Then we have K, 1 plus 1. So this will be, our focus is F, 2 and 2. That is our focus. Okay, then we have our directrix. Our directrix is y is equal to k minus a. So we have k minus a natin, that is k. 1 minus 1 is 0. That is our directrix. And our axis of symmetry, So axis of symmetry natin, that is x is equals to h. So our h is positive 2. So we have x equals to 2. That is our axis of symmetry. And last, we have the endpoints of latus rectum. So what is the endpoints of our latus rectum? That will be, so we have h plus minus 2a, then we have k plus a. That is our endpoints for the latus rectum. So we have point 1. So that is, what is our h? So we have 2 plus k plus 2 times a, that is 1, comma, yung k natin 1 plus 1. So we have our point 1, that is 2 plus 2 times 1, that is 4. Then we have 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, what's our point 2? We have 2 minus 2 times 1, comma 1 plus 1. So this will be, P2 is 0, 2. So that is the endpoints of our latus rectum. Okay. So do you have question for example number 1? So we have here our vertex, focus, directrix, Axis of symmetry, endpoints of latus rectum. Okay, kindly take note of this. So this is our formulas. So we have for vertex, focus, we have the directrix, axis of symmetry, and the latus rectum. Okay, so let's proceed for example number 2. We have example number 2. Okay, what will be our vertex? Okay, so for our vertex, so we have here our H and this is our K. So for our vertex, we have -2 and 1. Since it is positive 2, so x plus 2 that means our H is -2. So we need to solve for A. To solve for A, so 4A is equal to -4. That means our A is -1. Okay, understood? So again 4A must be always equal to, this constant here must be always equal to 4A. And we have here our focus, so we can solve now for our focus. That is H, K plus A. So, K plus A. So, focus natin, we have, ano yung H? It is -2. Then, we have 1. 1 plus -1. So, this is F natin, -2. And 1 minus 1, that is 0. So, we have our directrix. Directrix, we have Y is equal to K minus A. Ano yung K natin? This is 1 minus -1. So, we have 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2. So, next, okay na ba sa vertex, focus, and directrix? Proceed tayo sa axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. So, we have here our axis of symmetry. That is X is equals to H. So, what is our H? That is -2. And endpoints of latus rectum. So, we have H plus -2A, K plus A. So, point 1 natin, what is our H? We have -2 plus 2 times -1, comma, we have this is 1 plus -1. So, what will be our point 1? So, we have point 1 natin, -2 plus -2, that will be -4. And we have 1 minus 1, that is 0. Okay, then we have our point 2. This is -2 minus 2 times -1. We have 1 minus 1. 1 plus -1. So we have our point 2 is -2 plus 2, that is 0. 1 minus 1, that is 0. So we have here our vertex, focus, directrix, axis of symmetry, endpoints of our latus rectum. So we have point 1 and point 2. So that's how you do find for the features of the parabola given if we have x plus 2 quantity squared. Sorry, this is quantity squared. Okay, if nakaganito siya, naka-standard form. Again if nasa standard form na x minus h quantity squared is equal to negative 4a y minus k. So, ganito yung process natin. So, that's how you do find the features of the parabola. Okay, so let's have another example. What if may iba ng value, not 1 na yung value ng a natin? So, let's try. So, we have here another example. So, we have last 2 example natin. So, this is, we have third example. X plus 5 quantity squared is equals to -20 times y plus 3. So, paano natin hanapin yung first, identify natin yung h at saka yung k. Ito yung h, ito yung k. So, we have h is equal to -5 and k is equal to -3. So, what will be our vertex? Vertex natin is -5, -3. Okay, after that, we need to solve for our latus rectum. After that, we need to solve for our A. So, solve for our A. Solve for A. So, solve for A tayo. 4A is equal to negative 20. So, we have A is equal to negative 5. So, yan yung A natin. By the way, sa book ninyo, P yung gamit. So, this is 4P. So, ganun. A yung gamit ko. Okay. After that, we need to solve for now. Or we can solve now for our focus. So, focus natin, we have, again, that is H, K plus A. So, this is, focus natin is negative 5. Then, we have copy negative 3 plus negative 5. So, yan yung A natin. So, our focus now, we have negative 5 and negative 3 plus negative 5, that is negative 8. That is our focus. Okay. After that, find natin yung axis of symmetry. Okay, axis of symmetry. Okay. This will be along the vertical axis. That is y is equal to k minus a. So, k natin, y is equal to, our axis of symmetry is x is equals to h. What is our h? This is negative 5. Our directrix will be y is equal to k minus a. So our k is negative 3 minus negative 5. This is equal to 3. Okay. This is equals to 3 plus 5, that is, negative 3 plus 5, that is positive 2. So, y is equal to 2. That is our directrix. And our endpoints. So, endpoints natin. Endpoints of latus rectum. So, formula, that is h plus minus 2a. Then we have k plus a. Okay, so this is our endpoints of latus rectum. So we have now point 1 natin. Okay, ano yung h natin? We have negative 5 plus 2 times negative 5. Yan yung a natin. Kama k. Yung k natin is negative 3. Then plus yung a natin negative 5. So our point 1 is negative 5 plus negative 10, this is negative 15. And negative 3 plus negative 5, this is negative 8. That is our point 1 or first endpoint. Now we have point 2. This is negative 5 minus 2 times negative 5, comma, negative 3 plus negative 5. So point 2 natin, that is negative 5 plus 10, that is 5. Then we have negative 3 plus negative 5, that is negative 8. So we have now our vertex, focus, axis of symmetry, directrix, endpoints of the latus rectum. So that's how we find it if hindi 1 yung value ng A. So the same lang siya ng process. Okay? So next we have example. Last example, so we have x minus 3 quantity squared is equal to 12 times y minus 4. So, ano yung h? This is 3. Ano yung k natin? That is 4. So, vertex natin, we have 3 and 4. Okay, solve for A. Solve for A tayo. So, we have 4a is equal to 12. Therefore, our A is equal to 12 divided by 4, that is positive 3. Okay, by the way, when you have negative here, that means going downward or facing downward or like opening downward yung parabola natin. When we have positive, opening upward siya. So, parang ganito yung sa positive, ganyan yung sa negative. Okay? So, yung sa A naka-base, if ano yung orientation ng parabola natin. Okay, now let's solve for our focus, that is h, comma, k plus a. So ano yung h natin? We have 3, 4 plus a, that is 4 plus 3. So we have focus 3, 7. That is our focus. Now we have the axis of symmetry. So that is x equals to h. So ano yung h natin? We have 3. Then we have the directrix. Our directrix is y k minus a. So ano yung k natin? That is 4 minus a. So minus 3 is equal to 1. So our directrix is y is equal to 1. And now we have our endpoints. So endpoints of latus rectum. So point 1 natin, we have h, copy yung h, 3 plus 2 times our a, that is 3, comma, that is, k natin is 4, plus yung a, we have 3. So we have, so point 1 natin is 3 plus 6, this is 9, comma, 7. And our point 2 is 3 minus 2 times 3. Then we have 4 plus 3. So point 2 now will be 3 minus 6. This is negative 3. Then we have 7. So we have now the features of our parabola. Okay? May question ba? Okay, if you have question, can you list down your questions? Then I will entertain that on our next class. That will be our next synchronous class will be on Tuesday. Scheduled natin ng synchronous classes is Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, so kindly list down all your questions. So on Tuesday, since we do not have a synchronous class on Tuesday, I will upload a video, again recorded video, on how are we going to like solve problems involving parabola. So, paano natin magka-solve ng problem? Kanang word problem na yung given. So, paano natin i-find yung mga features ng parabola? Okay, so yun lang. So, I hope you learned something for today. Okay, so yun lang yung lesson natin for today. So, I hope you learned something kung paano natin hanapin yung features ng parabola. So, to be followed na lang yung discussion on how to graph parabola on this type of example. Okay, so if you have question, kindly ask on the comment section or kindly message me in Biology or in my messenger. So bye bye. I hope you learned something.